Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, today we are going to discuss about the topic infectious diseases. Actually, the main topic is that to deal with the infectious agents. That what are the infectious agent? But before doing that, we will also discuss about that what are the infectious diseases and what are the different base from which they transfer from one person to another. Okay guys, so let's start the topic without wasting our time. Okay, so infectious diseases are those diseases which can be transmitted from one individual to another directly or indirectly. Okay, that may be also called as the communicable diseases, which may be transported through the viruses, bacteria, protozoa, helminths, and all these different type of fungi. And this disease like the tuberculosis, influenza, cholera, these are the example of the infectious diseases. Okay, let's come on the topic of the today, that is the infectious agent. We will discuss about the what are the infectious agents. So the various infectious agents are the following, just like bacteria, virus, protozoa, helminth, worm, and fungi. What are the means of their spread? Okay, so infectious diseases are also called the communicable diseases because they are spread from affected person to a healthy person. Okay guys, so the means of communication or the spread of different type of diseases, or these type of diseases the person which is suffering from having the virus, bacteria, or pathogens which can create harm to the another person which is lying in front of him or the healthiest person. So these bacteria, fungi, or the protozoans are called the pathogens. Okay, what are pathogens? Pathogens are that microbes that causes the germs. Okay, so the disease carrying germs are called the pathogens. Okay, they may be transferred directly or indirectly. The pathogens are transmitted from the infectious person to the healthy person directly without an intermediate agent. It occurs in the following ways, which I am going to discuss now. That is a contact with the infected person. If the disease, just like chickenpox, smallpox, ringworm, etc., affected person came in close to the contact with the healthy person, the disease can be transferred from the infected person to the common person. Okay, and the disease, just like sexual disease also, some of the like the syphilis, gonorrhea, AIDS, these all are also the directly transmitted diseases. Whenever we come in the contact with the affected person, it will directly transmit it towards us. Okay, it will also occur due to the contact with the soil or animal bite, just like the rabies, in which is injected in the human body by the bite of a rabbit, dog, or a monkey. Okay, the transmission may be through the transplantations. Okay, the disease, just like AIDS, germ, and measles and syphilis patients, if there anything is transplanted into the common person, then they may be affected from that disease. Okay, and the indirect method for the transmission are the pathogens of some diseases are carried through the some intermediate agents. It occurs in the following basis, just like it have the vector just like housefly, female mosquito, just like in the malaria, filaria, and kalajar, cc fly, which is responsible for the creating of sleeping sickness. Okay, so these all are the vector creating diseases. This disease occur due to the vector because they don't contact directly towards the patient and to the healthy person, but indirectly they are transmitted from the patient to the healthy person. Okay, they are also transmitted through the contaminated food, just like any food which have the harmful germs or the pathogens carrying food materials or the drinking water that are able to cause the diseases, just like cholera, typhoid, hepatitis, diarrhea, ascariasis, etc. Okay, and the disease may be directly or indirectly air transmitted, because air is a medium through which we came in contact with an patients also, and normal person also lives in that air, so they may get transmitted from there. Okay, and the last point is the Formate bonds. It means the articles or the common things which are used by the patients are the source of infection for the normal one. Okay, just like the door handles, tap, or the garments or currency utensils which are used or touched by the patient, then the viruses or the vectors can be transmitted towards the normal or healthy person also. So guys, actually today we are in the present time we are suffering from the corona, that is COVID-19, which is also a disease spread through the formate bond. Okay, the things which are used by the patient or touched by the patient is indirectly able to make the normal human also diseased full. Okay, so just to keep or to save ourselves from that, we must have to keep the distance and regularly wash our hand just to avoid the affection or the avoiding the pathogens. Okay guys, so if you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for giving your precious time to me.